Today we will be testing the time and money chart, channel, and DMARC pressure ratio. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the time and money chart, channel, and DMARC pressure ratio. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 656 indicators, with 267 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the time and money chart, channel, and DMARC pressure ratio. So the really what we're looking at here on screen is the time and money chart channel, and so the DMARC pressure ratio, I believe, is something separate. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly why. Yeah, interesting. I'm not sure exactly why it also has the DMARC pressure ratio in it, on or in the name, I guess I should say. The creator of the indicator, the indicator page that displays it, shows that this is the time and money channel, and then it showed the DMARC ratio down below, like as a separate indicator. So I don't believe that it is integrated into this one. So might see if I can find that or figure out where that is, see how that plays into it. But for now, what we are looking at are these lines here, this kind of channel that we see flowing through the middle of the screen here, interacting with price action. The setup on this is relatively simple. What we're actually looking for are the nearest to price action, the bands nearest to price action. So the red one here at the top and the green one here at the bottom. And so in theory, considering how the colors are laid out, it seems to be saying that if the price action gets down into this lower area, then we should be looking for buy opportunities. Again, there's probably a reason why the green's below and the red is above. And so, like I said, I would say that the red up above means that when we get up into this area, then we'd be looking for sell or short opportunities. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and test it another way first and just kind of see how that works out just by kind of eyeballing it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this top red band here as a momentum, well, both the bands, top and lower one there, as kind of momentum gauges. And so what we're looking for is when price action breaks and closes above this upper red band here, then we are going to go long. When we get a price action break and close below the lower green band here, then we are going to go short. So let's try that first, see what we get out of it, and then yeah, we'll possibly test it another way. So let's get on with the testing and see what we can get. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal right here. We get that break to the downside, break of that lower green band there. We then get a really nice push to the downside, price action, getting us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a long signal here. Again, we see that break to the upside, break and close above that upper red band there with a really nice push to the upside there on that one, also getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't take too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version, and you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Everything in focus. Let's go ahead and count it out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 trades all together, 8 signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. Pretty solid. Only 8 trades within the 1 year's time. Definitely wish they give us more trades within the 1 year's time. 8 isn't that wonderful, but it definitely had a pretty solid win rate. Seemed like it was doing a pretty good job of catching kind of the momentum in the market, using it this way. And so I don't think we will test it the other way, just because this was able to achieve a pretty decent win rate to start with, and so we can play around with it in our spare time, not not on video, so that way we don't burn up a testing video just for the sake of looking at the other way again, especially because it did have a decent win rate this way to start with. And so had it not had a good win rate and been a loser on this particular way of trying it, then we had to definitely give it a shot using the other style, and that was basically just a reversal. And so, like I said, when it got up above the red band, we would look for it to reverse back down. When it got down below green, we look for it to reverse back up. Kind of an overbought, oversold type scenario, like we've seen many times before. And so, but that's it for this one. It will go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.